Hi there, this is Akshita, and today I want to yap about how do you manage your time. So, there's this simple technique called Eisenhower matrix, जो तुमने school days में पढ़ी भी होगी, but you never applied it. कहते हैं ना कि education में कुछ नहीं रखा, अरे apply करो. You put your tasks into 4 blocks. Okay, the first block is do, second decide, third delegate, and fourth delete. In the first block of do those things which are put those tasks which are important and urgent. In the decide block, you put those tasks which are important but not urgent. And in the delegate block, you put those tasks which are not important but urgent. And in the last block, which is delete, you put those tasks which are neither important nor urgent.